How to disable video download in TikTok. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then click on settings and privacy. And here from the account section, click on privacy and then scroll down to the interactions section, and from there click on downloads. And here you will see the video downloads option with a toggle next to it to turn it that's turned on. So click on that toggle to turn it off, and by doing that you will disable the video downloads option. But keep in mind that, as TikTok tells you right here, this allows other people to download your videos and share downloads to other platforms, and if this setting is off, a link to your video can still be shared. So that was it for this video. That's how you can disable the video download option on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.